Assalamualaikum, a good friend of mine.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yesterday, I read about herbicide used in Vietnam War. The herbicide used is named Agent Orange. It happened between 1962 to 1969.
Huh? Agent Orange? What exactly it is? Why would the US use herbicides in that war?
Agent Orange is a herbicide with mixture of 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid and 2,4,5-trichlorophenoxyacetic acid. It turns to toxic and carcinogenic 2,3,7,8-tetrachlorodibenzoyl-P-dioxin. We also can call it as TCCD. TCCD has half-life in the environment from 1 to 3 years, while in human body can go up to 20 years, while in water bodies can go up to 100 years.
20 years in human body and 100 years in water bodies?
The US used this herbicide to defoliate the forest canopy so they can detect their enemy better and destroying the Vietnam's crops.
How do they spray the herbicide?
The herbicide was sprayed by spraying using aerial method involving plane and helicopter and ground method involving using truck and on foot. The amount of Agent Orange used is believed to be more than 45 million liters, with concentration used is 20 times more than recommended.
20 times more than recommended? Horrible! With that much concentration, the effect on environment must be devastating.
Agent Orange was sprayed about 24% of the South Vietnam, destroying 5 million acres of upland and mangrove forests and 500,000 of crops. It also caused the land to be unusable. The forest lost its canopy, shifting the place that once forest to a grassland. Of course, the wildlife also received the blow, with TCCD also present in food chain, caused bioaccumulation.
You did mention about long half-life of the TCCD, especially in water. The wild animals might drink from contaminated water bodies and cause bioaccumulation, which then enter the food chain, right?
Yes, that caused the population and biodiversity of wild animals sharply decrease in contrast of area that was never separate.
Then, I wonder what happened to the Vietnamese that was exposed to Agent Orange.
Remember I said about half-life of TCCD in human body? It stays long in human body, plenty of time to cause harm to human physiology. It is estimated that 3 million Vietnamese has health conditions related to the exposure. For example, cancers, heart condition, infertility and neurological disorder. It is reported that a lot of children was born with deformities and heart condition.
In present day, what are the efforts by to remediate the effect of the herbicide?
The place with hazardous amount of herbicide such as Bin Hoa Airport is fenced to prevent the civilians from entering the area. Better safe than sorry. Then, as a diplomatic strategy, the US are funding millions of dollars to Vietnam government for TCCD clean-up efforts. The method they use are heating the soil up to 1100 Celsius. This method removes TCCD up to over 99%, then the soil are released back to environment.
Sheesh, herbicide seems scary if abused.
They are, but without it, humanity can grow enough food for our daily need.
So, the key is balance. We should use the agrochemicals responsibly and never abuse them.
Yes, you are right. Doctor has entered the class. Time for study.